Here's a cool way to use COUNTA and the choose function to return a value based on a count. So, here in my spreadsheet, I have these 3 drop-downs. They're identical, they all come from another sheet, pretty easy to set up data validation. What I want to do is have another cell here in D2 that, depending on how many are selected, it outputs 1 selected, 2 selected, or selection full. But I do not want to have these words here. I don't want to be referencing these cells at all. What I'm going to use is first the COUNTA function, which counts how many values are in a data set. Or in other words, it just counts how many cells are not blank. So if I go like this, it says 0. Everything here is blank. But I can select one here and it'll change to 1 or 2 or all 3. Okay? Next, I'm going to use the choose function. The choose function takes an index number and then, from the repeatable number of choices, returns the one from that index. So if you pass in 3, it'll return the 3rd choice. If you pass in 17, it'll return the 17th choice. I'm going to make 3 choices. So I've done the index, and now my choice 1 is 1 selected, then 2 selected, then selection full. So, depending on how many are selected, the COUNTA acts as the index, and then selects the correct choice. And this works no matter how many are selected. So if I delete the middle one, it says 2 selected. If I delete this one, 1 selected. And I can also do this in reverse. And that's what I like about this, is it works no matter which ones are selected. So even just having C2 says 1 selected, or B2, or whatever. Some other methods get confused, like without using the COUNTA, can get confused based on which ones are selected. But using COUNTA in this manner works no matter which ones are selected, and then choose is a very simple function to use to get the correct selection.